So in today's lesson we'll talk about the mail merge feature. So why do we need mail merge feature? For example, let us say I want to send a document for 30 students. So 30 students name, class and roll number is what I need. For example, now for these 30 students I want to send the same information, like let us say a syllabus copy, or let us say computer syllabus. Okay, I want to send the computer syllabus for the 30 students in the class. Now the syllabus is same for all the 30 students, but the only thing that changes is the student name and roll number. Okay, so every time I create a letter to a particular student, I should change this name and roll number. So how many times I should change? 30 times I should change this name and roll number, so that I can send the letter to all the 30 students. Okay, let us say it took some 10 to 15 minutes. Now what if I want to send letters to some 100 students? Okay, the time and effort is increased. Okay, in order to reduce this time and effort, we use the concept of mail merge. So here mail merge, you can see there is a data source here. Okay, what in this data source I'm collecting the name, address, city, pin and telephone number. In our case I will collect name and roll number. Okay, name and roll number of the student, and I'll link that data source with my main document. In my case the main document is the computer syllabus. Okay, when I link that, the system automatically gets the records. Whatever the name and roll number are present in my data source, it will get that records and attach it to my main document. So how do we do it? Let us take a look at an example. Okay, so that the concept is clear. We'll start by creating a mail merge document. I already created a Word document. Here let us start creating the mail merge document. To create a mail merge document, first click on the mailings tab here. Okay, you can see the mailings tab there. Click on mailings tab and under start mail merge, select step by step mail merge wizard. Okay, select it, and now I got a mail merge dialog box, and from the document type we have letters, email, messages, envelopes, labels and directory. Select the letters and click on next starting document, and under select starting document I want to keep this document only, so I'll select use the current document and click next. I want to type a new list here, so I selected type a new list and click on create. This same box you can see in the textbook also. Okay, here you can see it, new address list. Okay, the same box. Now let us customize the columns. I don't want all this, I only want the name of the student. Let me delete all the records first so that I can add whatever I need. Just select it, click delete, and that particular field name will be deleted. Okay, now let us add the fields that we require. In my case I require name and roll number. Let me add those. I entered name. Now I'll click on OK. Similarly add the other field also, that is roll. let me put the starting letter, roll number, and I'll click on OK. Now my required fields are applied, so I'll click OK. So my two fields are created, name and roll number. Now let us add the first entry. Let us say I want to add Apple is my first student name and the roll number is 1. Now to create a new entry, I'll click on new entry button here, or I can also click on tab key. Now next, let me enter the next one, and under roll number let me enter 2. Again new entry, roll number 3. Next let us enter one more record. For D let us enter not get dragon fruit, let us enter dragon fruit. Okay, now that is roll number 4. For now these are enough. I have 4 entries, and now I'll click on OK. It is asking me to save my address list. You can see it, save address list. I'm saying some test some test, and I'll click on save. You can see that a check mark is by default given to all the entries that I created. Suppose let us say I don't want dragon fruit to appear in my letter, I'll simply remove that check mark. Okay, and I'll click OK. Now the next step, click on the next step, write your letter. Okay, now let us write our letter. Let me write it. Okay, now I entered the letter with the names Apple and roll number. Now I'll print this letter, and let us say I want to send the letter to the next roll number. What I should do? I should remove this roll number and put it roll number 2 and give the next name. What is it? Banana. Okay, like this I should change all the names for all the students. And this is, we want to eliminate this, right? So to eliminate this, what I'll do is I'll simply remove this name here. Okay, now instead of writing the name directly, I will insert the field that I created. Okay, to insert the field, I'll click on insert merge field here and select name. Okay, the name field is created, and here also in roll number I don't want to enter manually. Okay, for that I'll remove it. Again I'll insert the field roll number. Now name and roll number will be automatically inserted from that data table. Okay, now let us preview the result. Let me go back to the first record. Okay, these are record numbers. Okay, I'll click on preview result. See, Apple roll number 1. If I click on this arrow button here, it will go to next record. Let me click it, and banana roll number 2. Again, next one, third one, coconut, roll number 3. Next, dragon fruit, roll number 4. Like that I can go on. Okay, once this is over, I'll click on finish merge and I can print my documents. Suppose I have 30 students and 30 entries. I can print documents for all these 30 students and the system will automatically put the name and roll number. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, నాకు నేను మాటిమాటిగా మార్చాల్సిన పని లేకుండా దానంతటా అదే నేను ఇచ్చిన డేటా నుంచి ఆ నేమ్ రోల్ నెంబర్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసుకొని ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రింటింగ్ ద డాక్యుమెంట్స్. సో నౌ మై టైమ్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ సేవ్డ్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ హౌ we use and implement the concept of mail merge. Thank you.